Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today, we are unboxing the Digital Microscope for soldering and DIY projects, a game changer for precision work. Let's check it out. This digital microscope is a game changer for precision tasks like soldering, phone repairs, and intricate DIY projects. With a 7-inch LCD screen, 1200x zoom, and 12 megapixels HD camera, it's perfect for students, engineers, and hobbyists. Shop now at Tech DIY Dynamic and explore detailed tutorials on Hobby Electrolab. Easily connect this digital microscope to your PC or laptop for a bigger display and easier data sharing. Just plug and play, no extra software needed. Enjoy a larger, clearer view with zero hassle. This digital microscope features a 12-megapixel HD camera with 1080 Full HD video recording and an impressive 1200x magnification for detailed viewing. Its 7-inch adjustable LCD screen ensures a clear display, while 8 built-in LED lights and 2 external Goose lights provide optimal illumination. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android 5.0 Plus, and iOS 8.0 Plus, it operates efficiently on 700 mAh low power consumption. The package includes an aluminum base, 32 GB SD card, wired remote, USB cable, and user manual, making it a complete solution. Explore new possibilities in electronics and repairs with this digital microscope. Don't miss out. Shop now at Tech DIY Dynamic and bring your DIY projects to life.